Today I'm going to talk about how to make bad footage look good in a cinematic video with sound effects. What's up, guys? So I was at my cousin's house this weekend and I had my camera, so we started taking some video footage. We had no lighting, no nothing, so the video came out really crappy. But the point of this video is I wanted to show you guys how you could take some crappy footage and just add some sound effects and how it could change the whole dynamics of your video. So let's dive right in. Take me away from civilization, where I don't have to bump shoulders with the population. So we're creating a video using my cousin as a prop. Oh, hi. He's my little prop. So what are we making today? Doors?
Trying to get a door to fit in a crooked opening.
Okay. Alright guys, so let's begin with the footage here, and let me show you what it looks like. Okay, so this is going to be what it looks like normally, how we took it, with no color grading, no nothing, just no sound effects. So let's play that and let's show you what that looks like. Alright, so that was the original footage, and that's pretty much how it came out. There was no sound effects, no nothing. Now, let me discuss what we did to the footage to kind of maybe change the dynamics of the video a little bit. Okay, so first thing we did, we added these little bars up top to give it that cinematic look. Secondly, we added the color grading we just added an orange and teal color grade to it. Now it looks great on the outdoor pics, not so much on the indoors, but I wanted to give it a little bit of a darker look because I added some special effects, and I'm going to discuss those right now. So as we get here, the first thing that we did, as you come out here, he puts the wood down. Now when he puts the wood down, what we did was we added this special like dust that comes off from the wood, and to do this, it's very simple. We had the footage of like basically the fog and the dust, and all we had to do was put a luma keyer on top of that. So we dragged it from our timeline here where all our effects are. We just dragged it and put it on top of that video footage. And to do that, now we have this luma keyer when we take all the black out of the dust and the fog and the smoke, and we give it that look. All right, so once you put that on top, all you have to do is really just come up top here and you open up the luma keyer and just adjust your luma keys so that you take away the black, and just so you get it just right, so you don't have any of the edges. As you can see on this one, there's a very sharp line that comes across, so we got to remove that to blend it in nice. Okay, secondly, when we move to the next clip now, on this clip we have a little bit of orange dust or smoke, you would say, just to come out, just to give it some more effects. And to do this, the same thing, we did that. We basically just add the luma keyer onto that, and we adjust it so that we have just enough to show a little bit of dust. Okay, now as we move along here, this clip is going, and we're most of this clip, it looks like we are swiping left, so we try to combine all the clips that were like basically going the same direction of the video. So as you can see, this is going to the right, and then it goes to the right. Same thing here. As you notice, the video is moving to the right, and we try to pan it to the right on here as well, as to continue that movement so the person stays engaged with the video. Once you get to this part right here where he blows the particle dust, okay, we did the same thing in the other two. So what we did was we added this dust basically, and we just add a luma keyer to that and remove all the black and try to get it just right so that it just shows just enough dust. And what you'll notice is we continued this dust onto the next clip. So as it transitions to the next clip, the dust particles are still going up, and then it moves up where he moves the drill up and goes down. So that's how we did the basically little effects. Now let me show you what it sounds like. Okay, so this is what it sounds like when we added the effects. All right, so let's play that right now and let me show you. Alright, so that was how it sounded like when we added the sound effects. So as you can see, we added a bunch of little sounding effects, whooshes, and all sorts of things to bring that video to life. And, you know, so anytime you create a video, if you start by putting some of those sound effects in there, it's really going to change the dynamic of your video. So that was pretty much it. I just wanted to explain real fast how basically sound can really change the dynamic of the video. Even if you have crappy video, it's really going to bring out all the aspects of the video and really bring it to life. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed that. If you like that, please give me a like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys next time.